Here we go. What's going on, everyone? Jordan here, back with another video. I'm gonna take my glasses off so you can see my eyes properly. Oh god, I look weird. Oh mate, I got the best news the other day. I got the phone call that my 3080 is arriving. Thank God. So I thought, what better time than to do a cable management vlog, figuring out exactly where the cable's going to be routing on the wall and all that I've built. Yes, that wall. And just do like a vlog. You know what, this vlog's going to sound horrible because I'm just using the actual mic in the camera, but there won't be much talking. It's going to be more of a montage. Just resting my arm. It's going to be more of a montage type thing. So yeah, you don't want to hear me talking. Let's get to it. By the way, in case you do see it, yes, I am wearing slippers because it's winter and it's bloody like 12 degrees out. I'm cold. I've got my slippers on to keep my toes warm. I'm going to clear everything from the desk. I'm going to have the vacuum anyway, might as well just dust it with my hand. I don't know if I want it directly sideways or kind of angled. See, if it's straight, then I can have access to the front I/O here. Like I still can do it there, but it's going to be half away. But here I get more angle of what I've built, but the cable's going to be a little bit more exposed. I'm going sideways. I'm going to go sideways. Because I have not cleaned in a couple of weeks. Not sure where you can see them, but by the way, the reason why the jewel's flopping around is because these are crap. Obviously, the actual hole saw is not aligned properly, so that's why it's wobbling around all the time. And yeah, but just wanted to note that out. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but you see the first circle I started to drill. That's because I forgot the beam was behind it. Yeah, you can kind of see the beam, whoops. But I realised that about a little bit of the way through, but nah, it's all good. Get some paint on that and she'll be right. She'll be right. I was just thinking, because literally now it's just me routing the cables through the back. Probably not going to show that because that is literally just putting cables back and forth and back and forth. So what I'll do, I'll come back at the final end of the result, but you can kind of see here what I mean. Cables running through back there, coming out there for the PC, and I've got one more hole, one more down the bottom here, so cables can come through there into this cable tray here. But you know what? I'm just going to get to it. I'm just going to get it done.
12 seconds later.
Alrighty, so I'm still going. I'll show you what I've done so far. Alrighty, so here, got all the cables, all data power, all going through here as well. Here I've got the monitors, along with the cables going into the USB hub. Sorry for the echo again. There's a vlog and I am not using an external mic. The monitor power bricks. This one's still just the Cat 6 going down there. Down here's the other one, which I'll show you. Alright, here I've got the cables coming through. In going into the UPS, I've got the two monitors along with the computer itself, and then that's into the surge protection and battery protection, and then just into the surge protection there I've just got a power board, and in that I've got my Philips Hue light bars, external drive, and Logitech MX sound speakers. So I've still got a little bit to do, but yeah, kind of getting them. And there we go, no cables, more or less. So here we have, I've got this micro USB cable here. That's what I use to play, plug in my Xbox One controller. I keep this one here. You can kind of see through the gap there, some of the cables. Yes, I'm just gonna zip tie that kind of together. It's still a work in progress. It's still a work in progress. Yeah, it's still a work in progress. Alright, so let me explain this here. I've got three cables, two USB Type B 3.0 and one HDMI. Alright, so the two USB 3.0 Type B cables, I've got those plugged into the back of the monitors because the monitors can actually act as USB hubs themselves. Why I've got the HDMI is because can't plug in the second DP cable. That I've already run this for when I get my 3080. So I'm only got this one HDMI cable here, it's an extra long one, just so I can use both monitors with my GTX 1060 until we can get the graphics covered. Once that's there, that's going to be one less cable running across there. I was considering just buying some longer USB 3.0 cables and routing them behind, but honestly that there doesn't really bug me that much. So if I get, for example, my mouse, and there's my keyboard, and my keyboard. Look how clean that is. Yes, I gotta fix that up beneath there and the gap, and look, just ignore all that. But plan is now, after kind of like doing some aesthetics, I want to get a desk mat. I'm actually seriously considering an LTT desk mat. I want to get some disc plates, on it, those magnetic things, or some sort of artwork to actually go up here, just so it can kind of look a little bit neater. So kind of the next part of this vlog will probably be aesthetics, making everything look good. But yeah, apart from that, and the Logitech screen cam that keeps on folding, the cable for that is just long enough to reach it to the back of the computer. But everything seems to be working. Everything seems to be clean and crisp. I've already run the DisplayPort cable when I get my RTX 3080. Seriously, that's only a couple days away. Like, it's probably in Adelaide at the moment at the Australia Post sort facility. I pay the express postage on it. I'll want to get it. But seriously, so make sure to subscribe, because next video, 2 weeks from today, from when this video drops, which should be June the 12th or June the 13th. 2 weeks from now, we're going to be having an unboxing of the RTX 3080. I'm so excited. I know you guys will be excited. But until then, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and stay happy. And I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.